The client for this house is somebody we've done a lot of work for before, so we know them really well. And the brief was very simple: to give them a cosy, comfortable, intergenerational house that would last the test of time. The plan of the house is generated by the long, narrow site, and it's essentially main living rooms towards the sea and then a separate building linked by a 2-storey walkway which has more bedrooms and garaging at the southern end of the site.
At the centre of the site is a lovely scalloped courtyard which faces the north. It has large covered terraces and an outdoor fireplace and seating.
And is protected from the southwesterly winds. It also has views through the living rooms towards the sea. The house is composed of a simple palette of materials which tend to run from the exterior through to the interior, and that includes the in situ concrete walls. And because of the sculptural shapes of the concrete, you get fantastic reflections off the pool or the floors up onto the ceiling.
The living room ceiling is a lovely 1.5 levels high, and it has a beautiful rolling shape with the timber battens running long ways to strengthen the linearity with the sea. The kitchen island is a beautiful sculptural form. It's a 8-metre long piece, and it really holds its own in the space.
And then there's a range of marble and stones in bathrooms which have fantastic views across the cliff tops out the harbour towards Rangitoto. We designed a really interesting and demanding waffle slab concrete ceiling above the gymnasium and the garage. The house has a beautiful entry sequence from the driveway under a lovely curving room above, supported by a really sculptural in situ concrete column. From the living areas there's a lovely slow stair that leads up to the bedrooms above, which is enclosed by curving concrete walls. Despite being a large house, it was important to make it comfortable and cosy, and in some ways it's more of a wintry house than a summery house.
And we know that it's something that the clients and people will enjoy for a long time.